Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Binance to Revolut. So first thing you need to do is open up your Binance app and then click on this wallet option from the bottom left corner. And then on the screen, you have to click on spot, and then you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you currently have. Now from here, you have to select BTC, and it's going to show you this similar screen. From here, you have to click on this withdrawal button at the bottom of your screen. After that, from this pop-up window, you have to tap on this send via crypto network. And on the screen, you have to paste the wallet address from your Revolut. So just open up your Revolut app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom bar. Then on the screen, you have to click on this receive button. And then you have to select the Bitcoin from here. If you don't find Bitcoin here, you can use this search bar. After that, you will be able to get your Bitcoin address. So just click on this copy button. And you also have to make sure that you read about this network. You have to keep in mind that the name of your network. Then you have to open up your Binance app and then paste the wallet address in this area. And after that, you have to select the same network as you have in your Revolut app in this network tab, and then just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on withdraw. Once you do that, your Bitcoin will be transferred from Binance to your Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.